Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve questions related to loss and loss percentage. In my previous video, I have already solved questions on profit and profit percentage. Now, I'm going to use two methods to solve this question. First of all, I'm going to use the formula, and the second one, I'm going to use the ratio approach, or let me call it the practical way. The second method doesn't require that formula, but if you have idea on how to go by it, you understand. So just watch the video to end, and then you understand. The first question says a shopkeeper bought a shirt for $120. So now this becomes the cost price and sold it for $96. Now this is the selling price. Calculate the loss and then the loss percentage. The first one, there are some formulas you have to know. You have to know that the loss equals to the cost price minus the selling price, and the loss percentage is equal to the loss over the cost price times 100%. So the loss percent. Now the first formula will help us to solve for the A, and then the second formula will help us to solve for the B. Now we just substitute the values into the first formula. The first one, so let's solve the first one. The first one, we have loss. The cost price is 120, so 120 minus the selling price, which is 96, so minus 96, and 120 minus 96 is 24, so you have $24. Now as you can see, the loss is $24. So you can write your final answer is therefore, or hence, or thus the loss is $24. And the second one is the loss percentage. Now we know the loss, so B, the loss percentage equal to, now the loss over here is 24, so 24, and the cost price is 120, so 24 over 120 times 100%. Now over here we can do, even before you multiply, this 0 can cancel this 0. 12 goes into itself once and then goes into 24 two times, so we just have 2 times 10. Now 2 times 10 is 20, so therefore the loss percentage is 20%. Now using this formula, as you can see, we just solve it and then we have the loss and then the loss percentage. Now let's move on to the second method. In the second method, let's list out what you have. For the first one, this 120 is the cost price, so the cost price is $120. Now this cost price in terms of money is 120, but what is this in terms of percentage? In terms of percentage, always it is 100%. Now the loss over here that we are looking for, we don't know, so the loss is unknown, so let's represent it by any variable. Let's call it as y, and the b, the loss percentage, that one too we don't know, so we can even call it as x. So the third one we have is the selling price. The selling price in the question is $96, and the selling price in terms of percentage, so selling price percent. Now the selling price percent can be found by adding, or since it is a loss, it can be found by subtracting the loss percentage from the cost price percentage, because it's a loss and loss simply means subtraction, so 100 minus x. Now Knowing this one, so we have three things. The first one is the cost price, second one is the loss, and then the third one is the selling price. Now, you know the cost price and you know the selling price. You also know the cost price percent. So we could make a ratio as the cost price to the selling price, or equal to the cost price percentage to the selling price percentage. So this is a ratio of the cost price and the selling price to the cost price percent and the selling price percent. Now the cost price over here is 120. The selling price is also 96, and the cost price percent is 100, and the selling price percent is 100 minus x. Now when you convert this to into fraction, you have 120 over 96, which is equal to 100 over 100 minus x. Now we do a cross multiplication. We have 100 times 96, which is equal to 120 multiplied by 100 minus x. You could divide both sides by 120, also here by 120. Now this 120 cancels out, 0 also cancels this 0, 12 cancels is a 1 and goes into 96, 8. So we have 10 times 8, which is equal to 100 minus x. Now 10 times 8 is 80, which is equal to 100 minus x. Now we want the x to stand alone, so let's add both sides by x. So we can, here we can just add 80 plus x, and then over here minus x plus x. Now this x cancels out, so we have 80 plus x is equal to 100. Now we can move the 80 to the other side, and then we have x is equal to 100 minus 80, which gives you 20. Now this, to bear in mind, the question didn't tell you to find x. We just represent the loss percent by the x. So the first one is, now you've had the x. Now let's find the y. Let's find the y. The x is 20%. Now the y2, you can also make a ratio of the cost price to the loss, and also a ratio of the cost price percent to the loss percent. Now we can make a ratio of the cost price to the loss or equal to the cost price percent to the loss percent. Now the cost price over here is 120, and the loss that we are looking for here, y, and the cost price percentage over here is always 100, and the loss percent, we just solve it, and then we had 20, so 20. Now over here is 120 over y, which is equal to 100 over 20. Now 100 over, even before you do cross multiplication, 100 over 20 is the same as, so 20 goes here 1 and goes into 105. So we have 120 over y, which is equal to 5, and now the 5 multiplies, so we have 5y, which is equal to 120, and then we divide both sides by 5. We divide both sides by 5, and then also here by 5. Now 5 cancels 5, so over here we have y is equal to 120 over 5, and 120 over 5, this one is the same as 100 plus 20 over 5, and then 100 over 5 plus 20 over 5. So here, over here is 20, and then over here is 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. Now the y is 24. So now finally you can just write your answers. The first one, A. So let's write A. maybe therefore or hence the loss is $24, and B, the loss percentage is 20%. So this one doesn't require using the formula. It's just by knowing what you have and what you don't have, and then you can just follow what I just solved and then get the answer. So please, I'll be posting more videos on percentage and then discount, commission, and others. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share for others to also get it. Thank you.